Let's look into the algebra of complex numbers. One disclaimer, it's the same thing as adding any variables or any numbers, so on and so forth. It's the same thing. So we can add two complex number in this manner. I'm taking up this example. So z1 plus z2 is basically 3 plus 2i and plus 4 minus 5i, resulting in 7 minus 3i. As simple as that. We can take the difference as well. Say z2 minus z1. So for example, over here, this will be z2 is 4 minus 5i. Then we have 3 plus 2i. So here, since we are taking the difference, this will flip. And so we have over here 1 and minus 7. Quite simple, right? Then we can multiply as well. So let's take z1 cross z2. Say z1 is 2 plus 3i and z2 is 1 minus 2i. Something like this. So basically we have 2 times of 1 minus 2i plus 3i times of 1 minus 2i. So this is basically 2 minus 4i plus 3i minus of 6i square. This is where the difference comes into picture. Okay, it's I square. So what is I square? Remember? Yes, I square is nothing but minus 1. And so this will turn out to be something like this. So this would be over here this will turn out to be plus 6. So this would be 8 and this will be minus I. Okay guys. Now we can divide as well. So basically we're looking at z1 by z2. So how do you divide something? Well, we end up doing this actually. So let me take up 4 plus 8i divided by 1 minus 3i, something like this. So if I want to divide z1 by z2, it is similar to your rationalization. Of course, rationalization, the meaning and the process is different. Here, the process looks similar. That is, we are going to make use of a square plus b square formula. Instead of directly dividing per se, we kind of do this. Okay, so we get a real number and then we do the normal division if possible. Okay, so basically we end up with the following. So first is a numerator. We will have 4 plus 12i plus 8i minus 24 or plus 24i square. If you guys are not clear with that. So this is minus 24 plus 4, that is minus 20, and this is plus 20i. We can take 20 out and we have minus 1 plus I. Right? And in the denominator, we are looking at a square minus b square. So this is equal to 1 plus 9. So the reason being the following, because 3i square is 3 square into I square, which is 9 into minus 1, and minus of minus is plus, and so this is 10. So we basically have z1 by z2 is equal to 20 by 10 times of minus 1 plus I, which is nothing but your 2 times of minus 1 plus I, and that would be your answer. Okay, so all this is possible. So it's quite simple as well. So you can pause, write it down. Try to do it yourself as well.